Welcome to the Build School for Factory 5 Racing at Mott Community College in Flint, Michigan. For about 25 years, I've been pondering and thinking it'd be really cool to do a kit car like this. And yeah, my wife and I took the opportunity to go ahead and do the Build School weekend and meet some other like-minded folks that wanted to put this thing together. So we had wonderful instructors that led us through the process. And we all got to use the rivet guns and the wrenches and turn things and get everything assembled. So being at the brake system, the pedal box, installing the engine and the transmission, getting the cooling system set up, battery, wiring, seat belts, gauges, all that kind of stuff. And then eventually getting the body put onto it. So we had a wonderful time, learned a lot, got some tips and tricks if we were to do this on our own. I certainly recommend that if you are interested and a little bit unsure, to go ahead and sign up for the Build School. It is money well spent prior to diving into a project like this that adds up really, really quick. So you might go ahead and do this kind of weekend and decide absolutely this is what you want to do for your next project, or maybe going through it is enough and you decide not to. So we had a wonderful, wonderful time and are real appreciative for it. Thank you.